Hi people!
Hi guys,
This is my first noodle mukbang.
and I'm not gonna be in here too long because I am not very angry. I'm just a little bit angry.
Yeah, because she had supper already.
Yeah, so you don't have to whisper it out. I'm gonna give the secret away.
Do you want to do it yourself or must I feed you?
You can do it by yourself. It's okay. Guys, if you by the way seeing my outfit right here, it's a brand new top from her. She just let me borrow it. It's nice. We had these noodles before, but on a night, and it was very nice.
No, that doesn't describe the taste.
Yeah, that describes the taste, but I don't even know how to. I don't even know how to lift these up with noodles. Okay.
You got it.
Guys, so
What do
this
you
is
think?
how I describe. That's how I describe the noodles. Oh, she's got. Where did you find the chopsticks?
In the drawer. Is she going to fetch